2012 and early 2013 have been dramatic, I think, in the funding of research, particularly in the area of genomics, from the U.S. peanut industry. We started out about 5 years ago trying to put all this together and figure out how do we make it easier to breed a new peanut with more resistance to diseases and better yields and higher quality and all that. But we finally realized that we were going to have about $6 or $7 million to do all the work we needed to do in order to really bring that into the peanut industry. I can certainly announce today that we have reached our goal of $6 million. Our industry has come forward and supported that. We still have other people to contribute yet, and what we're hoping we can do is accelerate this work. If we get more money in these early years, we certainly can get to the end answer that we're looking for much quicker. That answer is developing varieties that are resistant to all of the 4, 5, 6 major diseases that farmers face. We spend over $230 million a year on treating plant diseases and fungal diseases in the U.S. today. Now just imagine what we could do if we could say that even a portion of it, 100 million or 150 million, even if we don't find all of them, but this new technology called marker-assisted selection will allow our breeders to more rapidly bring forward new varieties with resistance to a whole cupboard full of diseases and genes. Now, we can see this year alone what having disease resistance in plants can do in our yields. We only have maybe plants that are resistant to 1 or sometimes 2 diseases, but can you imagine creating a plant that has resistance to 5 different key diseases? I can't not thank all the researchers that have helped on this. We have some of the best researchers in the world working on this peanut genomic project, not just from the U.S., but also from China and India and Argentina and Brazil and the UK and Japan. We've collected a team of 125 scientists, peanut scientists from around the world who are really doing phenomenal things and are really helping us to bring peanuts to the front of the line. We were at the back of the line. Corn, soy, wheat, all of the major crops had leaped years ahead of us in coming up with new plants with disease resistance. Peanuts is moving rapidly. We're that fast horse. We're at the back of the pack, but we've moved up fast. And I think in another 2 or 3 years, we're going to be held up as the example of what you can do with marker-assisted selection.